Top 20 Stylish African Celebrity Black Panther Premiere Outfits. Dressing for a premiere can be tough. You want to look great but not overdress and make it look like you're just trying to fit in with the Hollywood crowd. The best way is to dress for the event, so don't fret if you have no idea what Black Panther even means or cares about. You can always do your research in advance of attending and come up with an outfit that is perfect for this event. This video's objective is to help people decide what they should wear to the upcoming premiere of Black Panther by providing tips on different outfits, styles, and trends that are popular in Hollywood at present day. Please do not wear anything too formal or too casual. Dresses and tuxedos are probably not the best ideas either. You want your outfit to balance formality with comfort so that you don't sweat through your clothes during the long red carpet walk. Wear long sleeves and trousers in order to avoid showing skin, as well as shoes that you can walk in for hours without getting tired. Solid colors or subtle patterns look great on camera and can go with any color purse. If the invitation says that it is informal but still asks if you would, then you can have an idea from the top 20 stylish African celebrity Black Panther premiere outfits. Hermes Ayele, The Orange Nerd, Alison Audu, Ini Edo, Prince Nelson Nwerem, Denola Gray, Adoni Adi, Bella Okabue, Eni Adeolua, Steve Chucks, Omawunmi Dada, Priscilla Ajoke Ajo, Faith Mori, Idia Aijan, Temi Tope Olawinian, Anado, Anita Nderu, Kate Actress, Dennis Karuri, Natalie Tewa, Chimano. Which outfit did you fancy more? Team Nigeria or Kenya?